Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to create windows on top of your wall. Here we have an area, okay, a room. So first thing first, you can go on floor plan and then you can create straight line for the area. Okay, so now we have two separated rooms. Okay. So in order to cut out this area, in order to have a half wall, okay, you can use doorway. Under floor plan, we have structure. You can go on doorway and put it to this area. Okay, this one I resize it manually. Okay, to check on the doorway, you can use walkthrough. Change your view to walkthrough. Okay, so you can adjust the elevation and the sizing as well. Right? So to create windows out of this area here, you can use customize function. Go to Aluminium Doors and Windows. Okay, you can click on this wall. Double click on it, so you can put the frame. Okay, let's say I'll go for this frame and I adjust the height as for 1000. Okay, and then the length, let's say I'll go for 2500. No, 2200. Okay, and then we go on the vertical. For the partition, right click to cancel, and then you can click complete. So you will have your windows. Okay, to adjust the elevation, you can click back on your windows. Okay, you can adjust the elevation here. Okay, and this is how you put windows. You can click go on return. So to put ceiling below on this area to the next area here, you can use beam. Okay, you can go on your 2D view, go back to 2D view, and then you go on your floor plan, and then we have beam. So you can create beam from this point. You can use platform. From this point, you can position your platform, and then you can resize it manually. So you can check back on your walkthrough. Click on your platform and adjust the elevation, high above ground. Okay, so you can put down as the elevation value properly. Since here I just estimate manually, I don't have any accurate measurement. Okay, so that is how you create windows on top of your wall and bring down the ceiling by using platform. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.